Hello, welcome to Learn Anyone channel. Hope you are doing good. So today we will discuss how to reset a password either ECC or S/4HANA. If in case you are working, okay, and suddenly that password is doesn't work, okay, so in that situation, what you should do, right? It may be logged, it may be a change the password, it may be extend the access, right? Sometimes it is validity is expired, okay, so this kind of error you will see while working on SAP ECC or S/4HANA. So in this video completely we will show you in the real world how we are going to reset a password, change a password, or extend the validity of a user, right? So let's go ahead. So this is a very valuable sessions for those who are started working with as a freshers or like a professionals. Okay, this is very helpful, so I request everyone to be there till end of the session. So let's start. So let's say this is we have a server, okay, and this is a GUI which is already installed over here. And now let's already configure, and I'm going to click here. Okay, so you can see this is the initial screen, client 100, and I'm going to user like a demo 1. Okay, and a password, let's see, I'm trying a password here. Yes, what is the bottom, name or password incorrect, right? So it may be the a like many reason why it is password incorrect. There is three chances. One, your user got logged. Second one, it may be that your validity got expired. And third one, it may be the user has incorrect password, right? So these are the three scenario would be there. So I will tell you here and I'll show you step by step how can check it and how to resolve it, right? Every issues I will show you here over here, right? So let's see, I'm going to log in over my admin ID, right? So let's see, I'll show you, because this demo access we can't access because it logged, okay, or maybe it's like a need to reset or validity got expired, right? So let's see one of the most important T code, that is SU01, which is a very important T code for reset, right? So let's see something is saying wrong. Yes, it is still saying SU01. Yes, now it is right. Now you have to give the username demo and go to the change button. Okay, in this change button, or if it is don't go to the change button, okay, maybe. So what you need to do here, you just check, go to the display here and check the detail, right? So what is the login data here, right? So now you can see validity got expired. Read, see here, it's the first issue. Okay, the validity got expired like today, like 26, okay, until like 22/7, that is 1 month over. So that's why it got first issue, right? Second, it is logged, right? The second issue. Now if in case this kind of issue, then how basically you can solve it, right? So let's see. Okay, I am going to re-log in through my admin ID, right? So let's see. Yes, go to SE01 and give the demo. Okay, and now go to the change button here. Okay, before change there is a one button called here, it's logged or unlock. So I am going to unlock. This is the first issues. Okay, let's see, it is got unlocked, right? You can check it, it got unlocked. See, there is a, go to login data and you can see there is no any options. Okay, it is got already unlocked, right? So one issue is got solved. Now second issue is a validity got expired, right? So go to the login data and there is a validity, you can increase the validity, right? So let's see, I'm going to increase. So let's see 27. Okay, let's see 27 to, let's see, I'm giving 25, right? So just I'm going to 25 or something, 27, right? So I'm giving and save this. Whatever that done, see it is saying something like not a valid. Okay, maybe some mistake here. Yeah, or something here. Let's see, 20. Okay, now you can save. Yes, it got saved. So your two issue got fixed. Okay, two issue got fixed, right? See here, there is a two issues got fixed. Now let's try. Now let's try to log in using this demo one. So I am trying here. Yes, see, now there is no issue, right? Now, third issue, okay, if you want to change the password, you want to reset the password, that how could do this, right? This is the third. Let me log in through my admin ID, okay, and I am going to reset or change the password of demo one. Yes, go to SU01 and demo, go to change here. Now go to login data and see new password. Now you can change the new password. Let's see, I am giving some new password. Whatever the password you want, you can give it new password. Yes, you can see the password has changed, right? So let's see, I am going to, right? I am going to again, okay, whatever the new password you have set, you can log in through demo one. So let's see, I am trying to new password. Yes, whenever you have changed the password, okay, it will be the initial password. So you have to give the initial password. So you can change your own password. So yes, done. So if you go to the SC01, okay, so let's I'm showing here SU01, yes, you can go demo and now you can check everything is fine. See, now your password is productive, the validity invalid, okay, and you can see there is no issue at all over here. You're already, your all issue got fixed and you have changed that password is already productive, right? So this is a way you can change your password, reset the password, you can unlock, or you can increase the validity. So these three issue we have solved till now. So these are the very frequently, whenever I mean the consultant daily day-to-day work, okay, practice, so it may be the chance suddenly got. So do not panic, check first, okay, and rectify and change as per the detail. So these are the like basic things, so every consultant should know. Or if you are going to, I mean, any new one, I mean, want to career, I mean, someone want to start the career, so this is also useful those who are starting the career. So this is how we are doing this. So please make sure going forward, check this before, okay, I mean, in case any issues are like in the password related issues. So please going forward, you can please like, share, subscribe this channel, and you can share with your friend. If in case any query, please feel free to write a comment, or if it is urgent, you can mail us. So these are the available sessions for you. We will meet again in the next session. Thank you. Bye.